I'm back with my 1957. Finally just getting around it. I'm gonna be working on the trunk pan. It have already been patched up right there. I was gonna patch it up there, but you see all these little pinholes. It just looked like a nice summer day in the sky. New pan right there. I had to organize my garage. Well, move my garage to put my car sideways. You guys can see. 2 stalls, so I had to put it diagonal. And this is sitting outside at the moment, which I don't like, even though there's no leaking going on and anything like that, but I like to keep my cars in the garage. So first thing I'm gonna try to do at it, I've done a couple of reading here and there. Best thing to come about is I know I should have braced it, but this car wasn't braced and it been already moved up and down, traveled. So let's see how it's gonna become. I'm gonna actually go with the fitment of the pan. I'm not gonna weld anything in until I close the lid on. And I have this piece down here, so no welding until I get all my adjustments just right. So you guys can see, just to check on my alignment. So those are my gaps, which over here looks pretty good. But once you reach here, it opens up, which makes sense. This is loose. So once I put the trunk in, I gotta make sure that's all adjusted. And here is even worse. You can fit like 2 fingers. Go, but it's good up here, so it could be worked. This can move a bit, I guess. Might have to use some straps or some sort. But let's see. Let's hit the trunk, and once I like it and it looks good, I'm gonna weld it up. All removed. So I cut it right there just to make it easier. I'm gonna have to do a second cut. I know 1 cut is good, but why not? Well, 1 cut, then I'm gonna have to remove that in a certain area, and then another thing. So 3 cuts, but makes it easier for me. The body is not off the frame. I just removed 2 of these. Yes, it would have been a lot easier if I had all my quarters all in and body was all good. But since I gotta make adjustments here and there, we'll kind of see. I did have to cut off a section here, but it was already kind of just tacked in, and I do have new ones here, so it doesn't hurt me. I got the fins and the inner trunk. What I'm gonna be doing now is swapping everything out, since my floor pan is just the one with no brace or anything, no straps. I'm gonna be welding that on right now. My straps, my little tabs here. Right here, I'm gonna be removing those, saving this brace down here since it was replaced. That's new. that shouldn't be an issue. Spare wheel, that would be nice, but I'm not even gonna worry about that right now. I'm not gonna be using my shock mount since this one has a updated one chassis, which makes the chassis a little bit more stronger. I'll hope. Yeah, I'll be updating this more on. Do got some repair on there. Some fire trunk. I mean, I'm gonna search, see if they sell the bottom half of this. If not, this is just a couple of fabrications. Let's see how that fits. All right. Put in the brackets. Savaged it from the old one. Get it traced out. Removed through some, what is it, primer weld? Weld primer, whatever. Gonna be cleaning this up, still not clean. Clean it up, install it. Won't be doing any welding yet. Let's see what happens. All welded in place. It's not the best weld, but this is what it is. So from the center of this hole to the back, 3/4. From the back of this to the front of this bracket, 19 5/8. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little primer there. Probably paint the bottom black since it's out. Obviously not painting my little lips here on the side. And then next time you see this, it'll be installed, hopefully.